Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to your mind, and today we're embarking on a tranquil journey into the realm of meditation. We're about to unmask the magic of introduction to different meditation techniques. Through this journey, we'll explore the essence of meditation and its profound impact on our well-being. So whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, prepare to discover a meditation technique that can resonate with you. Our journey begins with mindful breathing meditation. This technique is the cornerstone of many meditation practices, and for good reason. It's incredibly simple yet profound. Its power lies in its ability to anchor us firmly in the present moment, using nothing more than the rhythm of our own breath. The beauty of mindful breathing is that it's accessible to us all, at any moment, in any place. It requires no special equipment or environment, just a willingness to pause and bring our attention inward. So, how do we practice mindful breathing? It's really quite simple. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. This could be on a chair, a cushion, or even on the ground. The key is to find a position where you can remain alert, yet relaxed. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable for you and start to tune into your breath. Notice the sensation of the air coming in through your nostrils and the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as you breathe. There's no need to change or control your breath in any way. The goal is not to breathe in a certain way, but to simply observe the breath as it is. As you sit, you might notice that your mind begins to wander. This is completely normal. When you notice this, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judgment or frustration. Remember, the goal is not to empty the mind of thoughts, but to cultivate an awareness of the present moment. As you continue this practice, you might begin to notice a sense of calm and tranquility washing over you. This is the power of mindful breathing. It's a gentle reminder that peace is not something to be sought in the outside world, but something that resides within us all, accessible at any moment through the simple act of paying attention to our breath. Find a comfortable seat, and let's experience the calming power of mindful breathing together. Next on our exploration is loving-kindness meditation. This beautiful practice is all about cultivating an attitude of love and kindness towards ourselves and others. It's like sending out a warm, gentle embrace to the world, a ripple of goodwill that starts within us and extends outward, touching the hearts of those around us. Loving kindness. Meditation, also known as metta meditation, originates from Buddhist traditions. The word metta means unconditional love, friendliness, or goodwill. This form of meditation helps us to break down barriers in our hearts and minds, encouraging us to foster deeper connections with others and ourselves. The magic of loving-kindness meditation lies in its simplicity. It's all about focusing on positive, loving thoughts and feelings, and sending these out into the world. It's about nurturing compassion, understanding and acceptance, both for ourselves and others. Now let's delve into a guided practice. Close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths. Feel yourself becoming centered, grounded in this moment. Visualize your heart as a glowing source of warmth and love. Begin by directing this love towards yourself. Silently repeat the phrases, "May I be safe, may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I live with ease." Feel the warmth and love growing within you. Next, bring to mind someone you care about. Direct your loving kindness towards them, repeating the phrases, "May you be safe, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you live with ease." Finally, extend this love and goodwill to all beings, everywhere. Imagine this loving energy radiating out from you, touching every heart, every soul. Feel the profound sense of connection this practice fosters. Feel the barriers melt away as you cultivate a sense of universal love and kindness. Join me in this heart-opening practice as we send love and good wishes to ourselves and those around us. Remember, every ripple of kindness we send out has the potential to touch countless hearts, making the world a more compassionate, loving place. Now, let's delve into body scan meditation. This unique method allows you to cultivate a profound connection with your body, serving as a bridge between physical sensations and mental experiences. It's a technique that promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and heightens body awareness. Imagine a scanner, like the ones you might see at a medical facility, moving slowly from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Except in this case, the scanner is your mind, and it's not looking for abnormalities. Instead, it's acknowledging each part of your body, noting sensations and fostering acceptance and awareness. Let's experience this together. Get comfortable, whether that's sitting, laying down, or even standing. whatever feels right for you. Close your eyes and take a moment to connect with your breath, allowing it to become slow and steady. Begin at the top of your head. Notice any sensations you might be feeling. It could be the soft brush of your hair against your skin or the subtle weight of your glasses. Whatever it is, observe without judgment. Next, move your attention slowly down to your face, neck, and shoulders. Again, simply notice. You might feel tension, relaxation, warmth, or coolness. Each sensation is valid and deserves your gentle attention. Continue this process, moving through each part of your body, your arms, hands, torso, legs, and finally, your feet. Give each area your full attention, acknowledging every sensation without trying to change anything. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. You may not feel anything at all in some areas, and that's okay. The aim is not to feel certain sensations, but to acknowledge whatever is present. As we conclude, take a moment to feel your whole body as a single entity. Notice the energy flowing within you, the rhythm of your breath, the beat of your heart. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and embark on a journey of self-discovery through the body scan meditation. This practice is about fostering a deeper connection with yourself, understanding your body's language, and cultivating a mindful presence that can enrich your daily experiences. Ever heard of Transcendental Meditation? This unique technique is like a deep dive into the ocean of consciousness. Rather than trying to control the mind, Transcendental Meditation encourages it to move towards inner peace and quiet. It's like effortlessly floating down a river, carried by the current of your own mantra. Transcendental Meditation involves silently repeating a mantra. This mantra is a sound or phrase, chosen specifically for you. It acts as a vehicle, guiding your mind beyond the surface level of thought into a more profound state of awareness. This journey inward can bring about a sense of tranquility and serenity, often described as transcending. Now let's immerse ourselves in a brief guided exercise. As you sit comfortably, silently repeat your mantra. If thoughts arise, gently return your focus to the mantra without judgment or strain. Experience the simplicity and depth of Transcendental Meditation with me in this guided session. Mindfulness meditation is about being fully present in the moment. It's not about escaping from reality, but rather fully immersing oneself in the now. This practice encourages us to observe our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. By doing so, we cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and our experiences. So, how do we practice mindfulness meditation? Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Notice the sensation of the air filling your lungs, then gently leaving your body. Allow your awareness to rest on the rhythm of your breath. Now let your attention expand to your body. Notice any sensations, perhaps a warmth, a coolness, a tingling. Don't judge or analyze, just observe. Next, bring your attention to your thoughts and feelings. Again, observe them without judgment. Let them come and go like clouds in the sky. Remember, the key is to stay in the present moment. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the now. Embrace the present with open arms as we practice mindfulness together. Our journey through different meditation techniques is just the beginning. Each technique, a gateway to a new path of self-discovery, peace, and heightened awareness. I encourage you to explore these paths. Experiment with each technique and find the one that truly resonates with your soul. And remember, meditation is not a destination but a journey, a beautiful lifelong journey of growth and self-discovery. Share your meditation experiences and let's continue to cultivate a mindful and peaceful world together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your Mind channel for more insightful content on mindful living and mental well-being.